So yeah, that was the park police. Well, we'll see what happens. Yeah, fuck yeah, fuck yeah, fuck, let's just fuck. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. Fucking shit. Alright, awesome. So that wasn't too bad, I don't think anyway. If you think it was garbage, I welcome garbage. Shit. So that was my third time flying my drone. I am very tired today. I will apologize now because I have not had much sleep and I am very tired and I probably look very tired. Anyways, who gives a shit? That was my third time flying my drone, so obviously I need a little more practice. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I mean, if you're a fan of scenery, then you probably did, but if you're not, then it was probably very painful. Sorry about your luck. Just kidding, I love you. So I think that's it. That is all the time I have for now. As usual, my videos are rushed, and I apologize for that. I would love to do more. I would like to spend more time. I will have more time very soon. I'm just wrapping up a project for a client, and then I will have some free time to put more effort into my videos and not feel so rushed. I do have something planned for my next vlog. I may be taking a trip somewhere. And that's all I have to say about that. Awesome. Time to go get my son. Alright guys, I'm out of here. Cheers. Say hi, Rylan.
Hi, Rylan. This is why you need to be like a poo.
So what I'm trying to say is,